Hey there. Welcome to QuickHow, where you learn how to do things the smart and confident way. Today, we're tackling something that makes a lot of us feel a little nervous: how to ask someone to hang out. It sounds simple, right? But when you're actually about to say the words, your brain just freezes. We've all been there. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it with confidence. So, let's dive into step 1. Be natural, not nervous. True confidence isn't about trying to act super cool. It's about just being yourself. Before you make your move, take a deep breath and remind yourself it's just a hangout, not a life or death situation. When you're relaxed, the other person will feel relaxed too. You could say something simple and friendly, like, "Hey, I was thinking it'd be fun to grab a coffee sometime," or even just, "You free this weekend? Let's hang out for a bit." See? Simple, friendly, and totally natural. Next up, step 2, be specific. Just saying, "Let's hang out sometime," is way too vague. It puts the pressure on the other person to figure out what, when, and where. People feel much more comfortable saying yes to a clear plan. For example, try something like, "There's a new cafe that opened near the park. Want to check it out this Saturday?" Or, "Hey, let's catch that new superhero movie on Friday evening." Being specific shows you've put some thought into it, which makes you sound confident and organized, not awkward or unsure. All right, moving on to step 3. Keep it light and fun. Remember, you're extending an invitation, not conducting an interview. A little bit of positivity and even some light humor can go a long way. You could say something like, "You've been working way too hard lately. You definitely need a fun break." Or, "I found this awesome taco spot that I think you'll love. We should totally go together." This lighthearted approach makes the whole interaction feel easy and comfortable for both of you. And finally, step 4, which might be the most important: accept any response gracefully. Even if they say they're busy or give you a maybe later, don't take it personally. Life happens. Just smile and say, "No worries at all. We'll plan another time." That right there is peak confidence. Because real confidence isn't about always getting a yes. It's about staying positive, calm, and friendly, no matter what their answer is. So, let's do a quick recap. Be natural, not nervous. Be specific with your plan. Keep it fun and friendly, and accept their answer with grace and confidence. Next time you're thinking about asking someone to hang out, don't be shy. Just take that step and say it. You never know, that one simple question could be the start of some really great memories. This is QuickHow, where we make learning simple and confidence easy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with a friend who could use a little confidence boost today. Thanks for watching.